Exhale muna. Okay. So napansin nyo, pagka binibilisan nyo, nag-i-improve yung speed nyo. Okay? Kasi pagka pre-practice nyo ng slow yan, pag sa sparring, slow din yan. Okay? So, kung ano yung, paano nyo siya practicein, ayun yung lalabas. Okay? O next, same. Forward, 4 times, this time, side kick. Then yung pang 5, full moon. O, observe mo na ha. So, body, side kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, full moon. Okay? Then left. Body, side kick, full moon. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, full moon. Okay? Naintindihan? Side kick, 4, then pang 5, full moon. Naintindihan? Tapos left, same. 30 pa rin. Okay? O, practice. Go. Okay. Everybody, position. Jump, go. Side kick, full moon. 4 side kick and full moon. Practice speed.